So hello guys, you're welcome back to this space. My name is Moni. I'm a YouTuber living in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Today is Tuesday and I'm not going to work today. I'm off work today. I just want to quickly get to Dollarama. I need to buy some few things at Dollarama. I need to get a canvas board. I want to make a painting for my wall, and I also want to get some little things, some necessary things from Dollarama. And I just thought to start the vlog here. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please click on the subscribe button down below, and if you haven't liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. So I brought out my vibration plate. I've been obsessed with this vibration plate ever since I got it. I haven't gone a day without using it, and it's I don't know what it does to the body, but I feel that it's making me firm up and have muscles. Although I don't know about weight loss, because I've read a lot of reviews about it. A lot of people said it doesn't burn fat. Some people say it does, but I don't know what it does. But I know that I like the way it makes me feel. It makes me get my exercise done without doing too much. So I just brought this out. This is I don't know what they call it. Maybe the resistant band for this vibration plate. The one that came with it, I never used it. After my husband used this for one day, the one that came with it got spoiled, and I ordered another one from Amazon, but unfortunately it couldn't fit into my vibration plate, so I decided to return it. But I got a message from the seller a few days ago. They said that they're going to refund me. In fact, they've already refunded me my money, but that I shouldn't return it. I don't know why. So now I don't know what to do with this. Maybe I'll just keep it. So guys, I need to get to Dollarama. I will bring you guys along.
Where your dreams take flight. Money, space is shining, making futures bright. Learn, grow, stack it up day by day. We're building wealth in a smarter way. Money, space, we're on the rise. Turning small steps into bigger skies. From your first coin to your grandest chase, we make it happen here in Money Space. Tips, tricks, stories you can trust. Your goals and your vision, that's a must. From hustle to freedom, we'll show the way. Join the journey. Join the journey. Money, space, we're on the rise. Turning small steps into bigger skies.
And I just want to quickly show you all the things that I bought. I bought canvas board. I bought 2 more. This was the one I had that I bought since.
Tips, tricks, stories you can trust. Your goals and your vision, that's a must. From hustle to freedom, we'll show the way. Join the journey. Join the journey.
It's Mother's Day today. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers and intending mothers. So I'm going to church right now and I'm super late. I wasn't able to wait behind after church last week. We had a meeting because we are going to sing a song in church. But I think I should be okay. I just got a Mother's Day gift from my kids. and a card. I don't know the dress code. I'm sure they must have told them the dress code in church last week Sunday, but I think white goes with any color. They usually give us head tie to tie on Mother's Day, but this year I don't know if they've given them or not. King of kings, Lord of me, I don't know this song. So it's been 1 week I started using my vibrating exercise machine, and I'm obsessed with this machine. Do you think I have trimmed down a bit? I don't think I have lost weight, but I think that I'm beginning to develop muscles. So yeah, let me remove my jacket so that you guys will see it clearly. So what do you guys think? Do you think I've lost some weight? I know that my Christian mother hand is beginning to firm up a bit, even though my husband said it hasn't changed at all. But yeah, I'm happy with my new machine and I'm obsessed. What do you guys think? Is my body ready for the summer? Is it? I'm almost late for work. In about 5 minutes I'll head out to the bus stop. I will catch you guys later.